guys, my name is SiMya and I'm back again with another video. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a sort of wash day routine. I was long overdue for a wash day, so I decided to record this video for you guys because I haven't done a hair video in a minute. But before we get started into this video, make sure you do those 4 important things. Make sure you like this video, hit the subscribe button, the notification bar, and share this with somebody you think would enjoy this video. Jeez Louise, that was a mouthful. But without further ado, let's get into the video. No, that was gross. You could see that I'm really overdue for a wash day. Okay, so now that I'm back with fully damp hair, so I'm going to just take my Carol's Daughter sulfate-free black vanilla shampoo, spritz it with some water. Usually you would do this in the shower, but you know, because I'm recording for you guys, I'm just doing it here. So I'm just going to take the shampoo and then just really scrub it into my hair and then focus on getting to my scalp and really rubbing all the excess dirt and any residue that's left in my hair from me not washing it. Okay, so now that my scalp is all clean and scrubbed with shampoo, now I'm just going to go ahead and go off camera and rinse the shampoo out, and I'll be right back to start my conditioning treatments. Okay, so my hair is fully rinsed out, so I'm just going to take this hot honey oil treatment that I just mixed up, and I'm going to put that all over my hair. But you want to be careful because sometimes the oil can be hot. And right now I'm just testing it on my hand just to make sure that it's not too hot for me to be putting in my hair. And I'm just going to rub it all into my hair. And I was almost running out, so I just thought it would be easier to put it in my hair using the honey container. I guess that's what I'm gonna call it. Okay, so you can see like my arms are very sticky. So I'm going to take a shopping bag that I recycled, put it on my hair, leave it on for like 15 minutes, and then I will be right back to throw in my deep conditioner. And I'm not going to rinse it out, but I'm going to put the deep conditioner in it, detangle it, and then I'll go on to my next step. It's sticky. This is something that I used to use a lot, and I stopped using it for a little bit, but thought I was gonna bring it back today. And then I'm just gonna take a bunch of hair ties, section off my hair, and start detangling it into different sections. Okay, so I just took my duckbill clip and I split that last section in half. Now I'm going to take this spray bottle, start spritzing my hair so that it is very wet and has a lot of slip. Then I'm just going to take this TRESemmé Naturals conditioner for more slip, and then I'm going to go in with my deep conditioner. I've left that in my hair for 10 minutes. Now I'm just gonna go in with this deep conditioner. It's a Mega Growth deep conditioner from Protective. I'm gonna use about that much for this section, and I'm going to slather like a big heap of it. Okay, now I'm just detangling this section, and you want to work from the ends, and as you can tell I have little knots from shed hair, which is normal. So I'm just combing my hair from the bottom and working my hair up the shaft. Now I'm just braiding this section down. Okay, so I've braided all of my hair and I detangled all of it, but this is all the shed hair that I had from detangling my hair, which is really not that much. But all I'm going to do is sit under the hooded dryer for like 30 minutes, and then I'm going to put my Bentonite clay mask in my hair for another hour, and then I'm done. Just a little bit. That's slow. That's cold. Oh, it's cold. I should have warmed it up first. It doesn't smell that bad. Oh, that's it. You're like, hurry up. Am I missing? Oh, I feel good. That ponytail was probably way too tight. Oh, this is cold. Cold. I think this looks pretty. Okay guys, so it's the next day. You can see that my hair is a little bent just because I decided to do a braid out, and I put my hair in a high bun just so it was out of the way and I could do a turban later. But just to show you guys what my hair looked like at the end, I took my turban out, but this is what it looks like. I still, even though my hair is stretched, I still get a bit of shrinkage with my braid out, but that's okay. But I'm just trying to stay out of my hair for a little bit, just because the Colorado weather has extended the cold winter type. But even though sometimes we get, you know, blizzards in April, I don't know. But this is the end of the tutorial, so I'll see you in the next clip. See you guys in the next video. Excuse me. Go to sleep. Anyways, okay guys, so we have made it to the end of the video. Please do not mind my dog. She is sleeping in my bed. But we have made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. But before you go, make sure you did those 4 important things like this video. Hit the subscribe button, the notification bar, and share this with somebody you think would enjoy this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!